How to clean the vents on your tabbed HP ink cartridges. Remove any tape, materials, or debris from the cartridge vents to help prevent ink flow issues. Open the ink cartridge access door, and then wait for the carriage to stop moving. Push the tab in on a cartridge, and then remove the cartridge from its slot and set it aside. Repeat this process to remove all cartridges. Examine the cartridges and remove any orange tape. Examine the vent area on each cartridge. Use a straight pen or something similar to remove debris from the vent. Scrape the vent with just enough pressure to clean the vent. Scraping too hard might puncture the vents. Holding each cartridge by its sides, slide it back into its slot until it snaps into place.